Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can take a screenshot on your Windows PC or your laptop. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So, in order to take a screenshot, you don't need to download any apps or anything. In order to screenshot, there's an actual button on your keyboard to do it. It should have written on it PRTSC, and it should be located next to your F12 button. I'm going to show you a picture right now. As you can see right here, this is how your keyboard should look like, and the button should be next to your F12 button, as you can see. And once you press it, you should have a screenshot taken, but the screenshot that you take will not save anywhere, so you need to and it will just be copied on your computer, so you need to paste it somewhere. So what we are going to do is just open up for example the Paint app, or a website if you want in order to save it, and just paste it here. For example, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Just press the button and then go to the Paint app and paste it. And as you can see right here, I have my screenshot fully pasted here in higher resolution. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. From here on, you can just save your screenshot or do whatever you want with it. And see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.